Mateo is 4 feet 3 inches tall. Nico is 3 feet 11 inches tall. How much taller is Mateo than Nico? Sarah solved this problem as follows. So she wrote out 4 feet 3 inches minus 3 feet 11 inches and lined up feet and inches as though they're place values. And then she said, oh, I can't take 11 from 3, so I'm going to borrow from the 4 feet. So cross out the 4, put a 3, and now I have 13 inches. 13 minus 11 is 2. There's 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, so Sarah is not right, because if we solve this by counting up, right, 3 feet 11 inches, add until you get 4 feet 3 inches. You add 1 inch to get to 4 feet, and then 3 more inches to get to 4 feet 3 inches. So if we solve by adding up, 3 feet 11 inches plus 1 plus 3 inches, right? This is 4 feet plus 3 inches, which is 4 feet 3 inches. So we had to add 4. Okay, so the answer should be 4 inches. So why did Sarah get 2 inches? So what happened is that when Sarah borrowed, she said, okay, we have 4 feet. Let's take one of those feet and use all those inches over here. But how many inches are in a foot? 12, not 10, right? She only gave 10 inches. She took a foot and converted it to 10 inches. But there are 12 inches in a foot. So if I was going to do this with Sarah's method, I would write 4 feet 3 inches minus 3 feet 11 inches. Okay. You say, okay, I can't take 11 from 3, so I'm going to borrow. Okay, instead of 4 feet, 3 feet, convert one of those feet to inches. There are 12 inches in a foot. So instead of 3 inches over here, I have 15. Okay, and then 15 minus 11 is 4 inches.